What's up, J.O. Mafia?
It's your girl, Jazz.
And it's your boy Otis, you guys. Today we coming with tacos.
Tacos.
Look, you guys, we got chicken ground right here, you guys. They didn't have no ground beef, even though we don't use it. But turkey, they had like one thing.
Yep.
We needed a couple.
Yep.
So chicken was the best option.
Yep.
And then right here, you guys, we got cilantro, we got
sour cream,
jalapenos, onion, more cilantro, and that cheese.
That cheese action.
Y'all see? Y'all got a, ooh.
We got that shredded cheese action.
Ooh. But Jazz, tell them what they got to do.
All right, before we get into this video, family, I just need you to do a couple of things. Like this video.
Share this video.
Comment down below.
Hit that notification bell.
Beep!
And don't forget to
subscribe. Now, with that being said, let's do this thumbnail. Perfect. We just got some Crystal Light.
Strawberry
version.
And I'm go here because I ain't got time for Jazz. You know how she be doing. She be like,
I need my napkin.
Look, I don't care about none of that. You talking about? You feel
I
me?
be needing my napkin. You feels me?
So this is what I'm about to do. Is I'm about to help everything out. I'm about to bless everything, y'all. You feel me? I'm about to bless it. I'm going to
put some onions.
I'm about to bless it. Ooh.
A little onion action.
Oh, my God. Y'all, look at that. I'm
going to have to reach over you.
Look, bro. You see how sexy that look? Yeah, food is sexy, y'all. Yep.
And then we need...
Yep, we going to need to put some more little cilantro on there.
Oh, yeah, you going to top it off a little bit. You going to top it off a little bit more. You feel what I'm saying?
You get the works over here. You feel me?
Oh, you going to put some more extra onions?
You know what I mean? You need to keep your skin popping. You feel me? So you get you some onions. You know what I mean? You want your skin to be popping? Get you some onions, they say.
And then,
you can't go wrong with this.
Oh, you add more cheese.
Oh, yeah, you already
He added more cheese, fam. He added more cheese.
You already know, man. Look.
Hey, I'm all about that cheese action.
We not greedy over
And then we
here.
got to get a little bit of jalapenos up in there.
For what we got, y'all. Look. I could be a little stingy with this, you know what I mean? Because it ain't too many of them up in there, you know what I mean? Look, I'm telling you, we going to have to use carrots and all. It is what it is. Look, we call this the...
ghetto version.
The ghetto version. The ghetto side, you know what I mean? And then you get that, you get the little juice action. Hold on.
Yeah, I was just about to say, you going to add some of that juice action on there?
Dang, how am I going to do this, y'all? Hold on. Wait a minute. Let me put some pimp in there. Hold on. Here you go. If you ain't got no jalapenos, you just use the juice. You know what I mean? You got to literally, look, I'm going to tell y'all, bro, some life hacks. I'm going to tell you something real quick. Some life hacks. If you don't have no hand soap, dish soap is on the way. You feel me?
I see another jalapeno.
Oh, you see it?
I see it.
Hold on. Bruh. Oh, y'all see that? You got to get it juicy for you, man. You know what I mean? You just got to get it juicy.
Okay.
Matter of fact, hold on, y'all. We just need to get it juicy for you. You know what I mean? We just got to get it juicy for you. You know what I mean? So we going to go on here and do that.
All right, y'all. We going to go ahead, take this.
Oh, man, I forgot.
Oh, we forgot the sour cream.
Hold.
We forgot the sour cream.
Look.
How we forget the sour cream, though?
You can't do that, babe. You can't
do
all that.
We messing up.
You can't do all that.
We messing up, right, fam?
Look.
Y'all gonna get us.
Look, y'all better come get y'all girl. I ain't playing with none of y'all talking about, you know what I mean? I ain't playing with y'all.
Come get your boy.
Don't come and get me.
Come get your boy.
Don't come and get me. I know I didn't wipe it, but you know what? It's only a small thing for a reason. You know what I mean? But who don't, hey, it is what it is, you know? So, what's some jalapeno juice up in the sour cream gonna do? What that's gonna do? Just gonna add a little kick, you know what I mean?
I'm ready.
Hold on,
ready?
I need a little drink though.
I was drinking a little drink.
Yeah, my breath is clean, y'all.
All right, y'all. Come on. Come on with it.
Ooh, oh, it's juicy.
Yes,
Bruh.
sir. Y'all see that drip?
Y'all see that drip? Can't do dripping. Drip, drip.
Came in dripping. Drip, drip. All right.
So here you go, y'all. Here you go.
You
We
ready?
gonna do this on the count of 1, 2, 3.
Oh, I gotta move this off the wall.
Yeah. Oh man. Wow.
Family. Now y'all know how we do it. Gonna get into this bite and into that conversation.
Man, this is banging, y'all.
Wow. That's some good juice. Good juice. Good.
Wow. Wow.
Mm, good.
Man. You know what? Ground chicken. Honestly,
You might have to start getting this kind of better.
ground chicken is better than, I ain't gonna lie, y'all.
Well, turkey.
It's better than turkey.
It's good.
Wow.
Wow. This good, y'all.
Man.
All right, y'all. So the topic of today, tonight, or whenever y'all watch it, whenever you watch it, is going to be, all right, check this out.
Oh, man.
If you had a remote controller
I'm over here.
that you can control anything in the world with, what would it be and what would it do?
Y'all want to know?
Mm-hmm.
Check it out. Y'all know. Your boy entrepreneur. Feel me? What I would do? Two things I do. First thing I do, I have the capability of when a shoe drop, an exclusive on any shoe that I want, and I want to resell it, keep it, I'll be able to stop y'all from buying it.
Both.
And literally, y'all be going crazy. Y'all know the people that be going crazy, got all these bots and everything, buying up all the shoes. And then when a brother like me want the shoe, you know what I mean? I ain't even got it. It'd be like in your cart, out of your cart. Hold on. Who just bought that? So look, click. For 10 minutes, I'm going to shop on every site that I want, literally buy a shoe, and then I'm going to give y'all the capability. That's one. And then the second one is I will, anything that I do, car rental or airplane flights, you know how they say, oh, you pay a little extra to upgrade? That remote control would literally upgrade me to luxury for my vehicles and literally first class on a cheap diet. You know what I mean? On a cheap price. Cheap diet. Oh my God. Whatever, y'all. You know what I mean? I'm going to pay that cheap price to sit in first class drinking champagne. And you best believe when I land, wherever I land, your boy going to be a little toasted. You know what I mean?
Tripping.
Look, you ain't got to go nowhere. You might as well just bring the whole bottle. Come on, just bring the whole bottle. This flight 10 hours. Just bring the whole bottle. You know what I mean? Look, I ain't got time to even be talking to you, talking to her, talking to all this. Come and get your girl Jazz. You know what I mean? Good, 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 good. All right, night, night. You know what I mean?
Oh, it's get on my nerves. Look, y'all. I'm gonna show you again. Mm.
Wow.
Wow. Okay. Let me tell you what I would do. Alright. So, first thing, us moms, when we having our baby,
Yup.
I just fast forward over the delivery part, the pain, all that part, and the baby be here.
You know what?
When you feel it.
I think all the women on the channel are gonna say they agree
Won't
with you.
even feel it.
That's actually really good. That's actually pretty good. I ain't gonna lie. That's good.
The second thing I would do, you know when you waiting in that long line, or you're stuck in traffic, let's fast forward it, and then you press play, you at the front of the line. Or you passed up all those cars that you was behind.
Ooh, that's really good.
And when you go shopping or go get your nails done, fast forward through the whole part, the nails done, the shopping done. And then you can get your time back to do other stuff.
You know what? Jazz took some thinking into this, y'all. I think I know what she want in life. She want a remote.
A remote that I'm able to control everything with.
Nope. I know what to get you for your birthday. A remote control. This is going to be the best birthday ever.
Let me tell you something.
Oh, shoot. Here she come.
We're dreaming right now, okay?
I'm dreaming of giving you a remote. Hold on.
That remote you gonna give me ain't gonna do nothing for me.
What is it going to do?
Nothing. Nothing.
Look, y'all.
I want them. I want the real stuff.
Okay. I got you. Look, y'all. Look. Now, I don't know if y'all noticed, but Jazz got on the safety green J.O. Mafia shirt.
Sorry, y'all.
I got on the blue one. This right here, she got the overalls to match it. And for y'all women like, yo, where did you get those overalls, Jazz? Them cute.
Walmart.
And there you go.
Hey, I sure did go to Walmart. Ain't no shame in my game.
She got that Walmart.
Walmart.
Walmart got some stuff, y'all. Look, ain't no shame in our game. But I'm looking at this last taco. And then I'm over here looking at Jazz. The channel called Jazznotis, you know what I mean? But I think that taco about to just be, no, you can't do that.
I did it. And it was good. No, you're real cute.
You know what, Jazz? Thank you. But I'll save you half of this, you know what I mean?
I think that was my taco. Thank you very much.
Look, here you go.
How you gonna save me half of my taco? Man, get on my nerves. Let me tell you something. They'll get done with their food. Then they'll want ours. Oh, no, you didn't. Now, we was finna get down. Yeah, there you go. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. He tried. He tried it.
We ever did and we finished, y'all.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
You wanna know why? Because it was only a couple tacos that we made.
Mm-hmm. Well.
And I'm proud of us.
Mm-hmm.
That taco meat was so good.
Mm-hmm. Mm.
That taco meat was so good, y'all.
Mm-hmm.
I'm over here wanting to do one of these. You feel me?
But you want to know in the comment section if y'all had a remote controller and y'all can control anything y'all want, what would it be? What would you do?
You stop irritating me.
See, that's what I don't understand. He tried to take my jalapeno, and he telling me to stop irritating him.
You are irritating.
I know you ain't talking.
Why are you looking over here? Come on, let me get some of that. Come on.
Look what you just made me do.
You disqualified from winning J.O. Mafia gear.
Look, y'all, my shirt messed up.
That's why we got shout for. But look.
It's good. Why y'all up on me?
I need some.
I need none.
Excuse me. Thank you.
Baby. All right, y'all. We finished. I gotta put some shout on my J.O. Mafia gear, but we finished.
We done. Everything is cleared. I'm proud of us.
Done.
But look, y'all. Jazz gonna tell y'all, you know, we see y'all. And for our day ones.
For our OGs, we see you.
Yeah.
We love you. We appreciate you. Thank you. And for the newcomers, welcome to the J.O. Mafia
family.
With that being said, how you want to end this, Otis?
We gonna end it with love, peace, and soul train, peace.